Modern kitchen makeovers, from concept to completion in Dubai. Are you ready to turn your kitchen into the heart of your home? In Dubai's vibrant, fast-paced lifestyle, a modern kitchen isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Imagine stepping into a space that's not only stunning but also effortlessly functional. At Renovation X, we specialize in transforming Dubai kitchens into masterpieces where every detail is crafted to suit your lifestyle. In the next few minutes, we'll take you on a journey from concept to completion, revealing how we create bespoke kitchen solutions that are redefining modern living in Dubai. Stay tuned to discover why we're the go-to experts for kitchen makeovers across the city. Every kitchen tells a story, but is your kitchen telling the story you want? At Renovation X, we hear from countless homeowners who feel stuck with kitchens that are outdated, cramped, or simply inefficient. Cabinets that don't fit your needs, awkward layouts, and insufficient lighting are more than design flaws, they're daily roadblocks in your life. Dubai deserves kitchens that match its world-class standards. That's why our team is dedicated to crafting spaces that bring together luxury, practicality, and cutting-edge design. We understand Dubai's unique challenges, from limited space in high-rise apartments to the climate's impact on materials. That's where our expertise comes in. With over a decade of experience, we've turned even the most challenging kitchens into stunning examples of modern design and functionality. The art of kitchen transformation. A Renovation X kitchen isn't just a renovation, it's a reinvention. Our approach blends innovation with elegance, ensuring your kitchen isn't just beautiful but also tailored to your lifestyle. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to seamless organization. From pull-out pantries to hidden shelving systems, we design storage solutions that make the most of every square inch. Imagine never having to search for your favorite pan again, everything is right where you need it. Dubai's climate demands materials that are as durable as they are stylish. That's why we source humidity-resistant cabinets, scratch-proof quartz countertops, and top-of-the-line finishes from Europe's leading manufacturers. Every detail, down to the hinges and handles, is chosen for durability and sophistication. Whether you're hosting elegant gatherings or preparing family meals, we create layouts that make every moment effortless. Our designs focus on flow, ensuring your kitchen works with you, not against you. Transforming your kitchen begins with a single step, reaching out to Renovation X. Here's what you can expect on your journey with us. We start by listening to you. During our consultation, we'll explore your vision, needs, and lifestyle to create a foundation for your dream kitchen. Experience your future kitchen before it's built. Our advanced 3D designs provide a virtual walkthrough, allowing you to fine-tune every detail. Visit our Dubai showroom to explore a curated selection of premium materials and appliances. Our design consultants will guide you through every choice, ensuring your selections align with your style and budget. Our certified installation team brings your vision to life with precision and care. We follow strict timelines and maintain clear communication throughout the process, ensuring a stress-free experience. Why choose Renovation X? At Renovation X, excellence is more than a promise, it's our standard. Our team consists of internationally certified designers, factory-trained installers, and experienced project managers who understand the nuances of luxury renovations. Every material, from fingerprint-resistant surfaces to soft-closing drawers, is selected for its superior quality and performance. Our designs are crafted with Dubai's unique lifestyle and climate in mind, ensuring your kitchen remains stunning and functional for years to come. Each Renovation X kitchen comes with a comprehensive warranty, giving you confidence in the longevity and value of your investment. The impact of a modern kitchen makeover. Choosing Renovation X means investing in more than just your kitchen, it's an investment in your home, your lifestyle, and your future. Our clients have seen dramatic increases in property value after their renovations. But the true value lies in the everyday moments. Imagine effortless mornings, joyful family meals, and elegant dinner parties in a space that reflects your style and enhances your routine. From busy professionals to growing families, we've helped hundreds of Dubai homeowners transform their kitchens and their lives. Start your transformation today. Your dream kitchen is closer than you think. Contact Renovation X today to book your free design consultation and take advantage of our limited time special offers for Dubai residents. Visit our showroom at Al Quaz 4, Dubai, call us at 0488288933, or explore our website at renovationx.ae. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Renovation X for the latest updates, projects, and exclusive deals.